you know when you swipe up or open your app drawer or go to your first page, you just wish your most used apps will be right there without searching. Like this, you see this, these are my recent um most frequently used apps. Okay, so well, your phone can actually do that for you. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on smart app suggestions. It's one of those little features that saves time and reduces clutter and helps your phone feel smarter every day. And hey, even if you're not using Samsung like mine, don't scroll. I'm showing you how it works across many Android phones and even iPhone. I'll show you alternatives. Okay, so let's get into it. So on Samsung phones like this S25 Ultra, long press on an empty area on your home screen, and on some phones you have to go to settings or home screen settings. But for me, on this phone, I'll go to widgets. It's on widgets on my phone, and then you can scroll down and you enable, it might say suggestions or add apps to home screen suggestions, something like that. Mine says suggest apps. Right here, suggest apps. So you tap on this, and then you will I like this one. You can add it to the home screen, and I would like to move it to the first page right here, right? So, and now you will start seeing your most used or context aware apps pop up on the home screen or app drawer. So these apps changes. This is depending on how I'm using my phone apps. This frequently will change to put in the ones I use more often than other, right? So if you have Tecno, long press on the home screen and tap desktop settings or launcher settings. Look for suggestions or smart assistant and turn it on. Okay, you may need to update the launcher app to the latest version from Google Play, or Google Play Store for this to appear. If you have a OnePlus phone, you go to home screen and you long press and you tap home settings and you look for smart suggestions and toggle it on. These suggestions will appear either on the shelf or the app drawer depending on your settings. For Pixel phones, long press on the home screen, tap home settings, tap suggestions, enable suggestions in home screen, app drawer, and search as desired. Okay, for iPhone users, okay, now for you don't get smart suggestions in the same way, but you do have Siri suggestions. To enable that, you go to settings and you go to Siri and search. You turn on suggestions on home screen and suggestions in app library. Okay, this helps Siri suggest apps based on your usage habits. It's not as customizable, but it works well. Okay, and so that's it. So whether you're team Samsung, Tecno, OnePlus, or an iPhone, you now know how to make your phone suggest apps smartly based on your daily habits. So no more searching every time. So if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends, subscribe and follow for more smartphone tips made easy. See you in the next one.